Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and I'm home from vacation and I'm tackling packages that rolled in while I was gone, trying to get things done as quickly as possible. You can see that this one is from YESFINAL, right? YESFINAL. Here's what I opened to figure out who it was from. So I just got a few things in here. YESFINAL contacted me and they asked me if I wanted to show some stuff, and I was like, sure, absolutely. And I found cute stuff. I found different, unique things. So let me show you what I found that's different and unique. After I turn you a little bit, not that much. All right, you can see Minnie Mouse, right? So, and we have that. Okay, that looks like some quilling paper. You never know. You just never know. All right, let's look at this. I think these will be cute. A lot of the things I got here, I was thinking of kids, especially like grandkids, okay? So it comes with a basic toolkit. Got some baggies in there. Love that. Here's our drills. They're rhinestones. And these are little patches. They're Velcro. So they will stick to things. Do they stick to my shirt? They sure do. They'll stick right to your shirt. Okay. So look at, isn't it cute? That's Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. All right, Minnie and Mickey. And then, oh, we got another Minnie. Okay, different kind of Minnie. I'm going to guess there's, oh, hang on. Oh, we got these. Okay, we got these. What do we do with those? We stick them to it, but then what? What do you do with them after that? Sorry, I'm going to leave it on there for now. What do you do then? I don't know. Anyhow, okay, those are to stick those to. I just thought they'd be fun to just like stick on things. Like, yeah, anyhow. So there's two Minnies and a Mickey. They're cute. All right, love it. Okay, I don't want to stick any more together yet because I don't know what we do with these. I just don't know. Okay, so let's see our drills. We have some drills. Not very many. I'm going to assume that these just go on according to the numbers, right? So we have 1, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And this one has 1, 2, 3. So we just look at the packages, right? And we have 1 through 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Those are our colors. There they are. And then we do have some 6s, which are these pink pearls. White pearls. Goodness. Okay, so I thought those were cute. Super cute. And we'll have to figure out exactly what we're supposed to do with those. I mean, I realize they stick to the back, but then what? Put something in between them? I don't know. All right, next thing. Again, I had the kids in mind. This is... it's like that neoprene material, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean? Neoprene, kind of. Is that the word I'm looking for? I think it is. Look at it. It's got a little panda bear on the front. This is like a water bottle holder, a little pouch. Or it could be whatever kind of pouch you want it to be. But you could put a water bottle in there, right? You could. Or, yeah. Or your little toys, whatever you want to put in there. It's got a strap that's adjustable. You could make this longer. And you can just carry your little stuff around here. There you go. Cute. Drill the little panda bears on the front. I love it. All right. Same kind of toolkit. Let's see. Rhinestones again. And again, these are just numbered on the bags, and you just follow along. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is a little teardrop. 6 are some slivers, and 7 is a teardrop. There you have it. All right, that's what goes on it. Love it. The kids will love this stuff. They have not seen my fidget spinners yet. When they see the fidget spinners, I'm in trouble. Oh, what happened here? This one got stuffed in a little paper bag and literally got stuffed in there. It's tiny. Oh my gosh, look at, wow, that's sad. Oh, poor guy. He got just totally demolished in that bag. I mean, wow, that's definitely going to require some ironing or something, because look at the poor guy. He got mangled. He's cute. He's a little owl. He's one of those bubble paintings that has different, well, maybe not, different sizes of different colors. Maybe not. Maybe just rhinestones. But he's like a full coverage one. He's 18 by 18 centimeters. He's probably not even that. I don't even know if I can measure him because he's all mangled up and won't lay flat, but he's little. That's all we got. He's little. He's cute, okay? Just a cute little owl. All right. Toolkit. You need to relax somewhere. Wow. They had a big enough bag for it. I don't know why. They had to mush him all up. They mushed him. All right. What do we have? What do we have? Well, I'm kind of right. I was kind of correct. A little bit, I think. Okay, so let's show you what we got here. We got a small clear and a bigger clear. Small pink, larger pink. 2 sizes of red. Then we just have a yellow. Does this pink match this pink? It does. Okay, so see what I mean? We do have 3 sizes. We got small, we got medium, and we got larger. So these are the bubble. Same thing with the clear. We had small and medium, and then we got a big one. We got a small black, a larger black. These pinks go with that pink, see? So they are the different sized. There we go. There's all 3 of that, like, orangey, peachy color. So they are a bubble round. It's a cute little bubble round. I wish he wasn't so squished. We're gonna have to see if we can unsquish him. Poor guy. Got smushed. It's cute. I mean, it's really cute. But I think it would be easy to find a frame for that too. You can find lots of small little picture frames. Sorry, I can't get it undone. And I can't find my X-Acto knife. Well, that's right here. It's underneath the bag. Okay. What do we have in the last one? Thank you for sending these for me to look at and show everybody what we got. And what's the last one? What is the last one? Oh, I love this one. It's full drill. It's a fairly pliable canvas. It is picture printed. I can tell that already. Here's our toolkit. Here's our drills. Regular drill, round drill, okay? 23 colors. And you can tell, starting right here, that this is picture printed. It is not pixel printed. We got the curves and whatnot. What's that look like to you? Watermelon. Yes. Look at this checkerboard background. Oh my goodness. That's going to be, woo, that's going to be some work. There's this whole checkerboard because it's like a little tablecloth, I think. That's what I would call it. Look, he even has a watermelon like popsicle, I think. A slice of watermelon, or maybe they just cut it to look like a popsicle. He's eating some watermelon. Watermelon everywhere. Isn't it cute? I love it. There's a lot of work on that one with all this checkerboard. It looks like a checkerboard tablecloth, right? And he's sitting on it, eating his pumpkin, eating his watermelon. The whole background is watermelon, and it is not one color either. It's J and I and J and I, and oh my goodness, there's a lot to do on that thing. 23 colors. DMC codes are on the canvas, and it has 2 legends. Has a picture at the top. Love it. He is adorable. Happy summer. You can read it, right? I can read it. Not even through the camera. I can read it with my naked eye. I can see that just fine. That is cute. Oh my goodness. Yep. Okay. We'll look at these drills real quick and we'll be done with this video. What do you think? Do you like it? I'm still doing Smashing the Specials. I might have to throw in some of those. I'd love to do the little owl. I think he'd be pretty quick to do if I could get him flat. Oh, okay. We got pink, purple, and these have DMC codes on the bags. 154, 151. See the numbers on the bag. 310. Beige, greens, taupe, pinks, more pinks. 2 bags of that pink. That's what we got. And watermelon. Is that watermelon color? It's got to be in the watermelon. And pink. Sage green. Then we have another little strip right here with the white, a mulberry color, and some salmon colors. It's pretty. I like it. I really like it. Thank you for sending these. YESFINAL. All right. I will link them below. I will link their website or the paintings, one of the two, probably the individual paintings. I don't know. I might start just linking websites because linking all of the paintings takes me a long time. We'll see. I don't know. This one only has 4. This one's not hard. I'll probably link all the paintings. Love it. Just love him. Look at him. All right. That's it. That's what I got, you guys. So check it out. They were good prices. I'll tell you that. Okay. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you like what you saw and you want to see more videos from me. Subscribe. Come back. You can click the notification bell and that will tell you when I do videos because these days I'm doing 2 a day and you never know when the second one's coming out. The first one's always in the morning, but you don't want to miss the second one. All right? Okay. Happy summer to you. Go get some watermelon. Actually, I have cherries. I wish they did one with cherries. I would love a gnome with cherries. If anybody's listening, a gnome with cherries? Yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna go now. Talk to you guys later. Bye, everybody.